was running into a corner on the inside, just not being able to get things done because the windows were still in, because I plan on removing these two windows and then the two end windows, because that'll be covered by a cabinet, that'll be covered by the shower. I also moved the two emergency exits over here so I can lift those up, prop it, the table will be right there in front of these windows, so that'll be kind of nice. And yeah, so I cut this piece of wood and coated it in a couple coats of polyurethane. This is just a temporary cover for the window. I'm gonna, let's see, get that up there, screw that in, and then I can start insulating it from the backside and put the wall in, and then when it comes time I can pull the screws out of the front and then replace it with sheet metal is my eventual goal, and silicone it all in. It's just to keep the insulation and everything safe while I'm working on it.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that